Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bracelet sizer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone passionate about crafting beautiful bracelets. Whether you're a seasoned jewelry designer or just starting your creative journey, this simple yet ingenious device takes the guesswork out of sizing, ensuring a perfect fit every time and elevating your handmade creations from amateur to professional quality with minimal effort, saving you time and frustration while guaranteeing customer satisfaction. Number 5. Hobbyworker Bead Boards Bracelet Sizer Jewelry Making Kit. Introducing the Hobbyworker Jewelry Making Kit, your comprehensive solution for creating beautiful accessories. This kit includes everything you need to get started on your next masterpiece. Our specially designed bead board features a flocked surface to keep beads in place and clear scale lines for precise measurements. With multiple grooves and channels, you can experiment with various designs simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Craft with confidence using our strong and durable crystal elastic cord. Its excellent stretch and toughness ensure your creations are both beautiful and long-lasting. Plus, a convenient buckle keeps it secure when not in use. The included stainless steel bead scoop is designed for precision, especially with small beads like seed beads. Its rust-resistant construction ensures it will be a reliable tool for all your jewelry-making projects. This versatile kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Inspire creativity in friends and family by helping them craft unique bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. With 20 years of experience, Hobbyworker is a trusted supplier of jewelry-making tools and materials worldwide. We are dedicated to providing quality products and excellent customer support for all your crafting needs. What we like? This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a bead board, elastic thread, scoop, and needle. Its flocked surface prevents beads from rolling, and the multiple grooves allow for designing several items at once. If you are looking for a comprehensive starter set for bracelet making, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great tool for measuring bracelet sizes. It is very accurate and easy to use. The tray is well made and durable. Number 4. Myasrelae Bead Board Gray 10 by 7.5 inches. Introducing the Myasrelae Bead Board, your perfect companion for jewelry creation. Its spacious 10 by 7.5 inch design offers ample room for all your beads and findings. Crafted with a sophisticated gray flocking material, this board not only looks great but also prevents beads from rolling away. Keep your workspace tidy and your designs secure. Featuring 5 perfectly sized round grooves, this board is specifically designed to help you lay out and measure your bracelet designs with ease. Achieve professional results every time. This bead board is ideal for both beginners and experienced jewelry makers. Its thoughtful design makes planning and assembling your creations a breeze. Elevate your crafting experience with this essential tool. It's the perfect addition to any jewelry maker's toolkit, ensuring precision and organization. What we like? This option features a stylish gray flocking that prevents beads from rolling away. With 5 round grooves, it offers ample space for designing bracelets. If you prefer a clean, minimalist aesthetic and need a board with multiple design grooves, this one is a great fit for your workspace. What people say. The tray is well made and sturdy, perfect for organizing beads and components. It has multiple compartments that are clearly labeled, making it easy to sort different sizes of beads. The design is practical and efficient, allowing for quick and accurate measurements of bracelet sizes. Number 3. Juvale Velvet Jewelry Organizer Tray. Introducing our elegant jewelry organizer, designed to beautifully arrange your cherished pieces. Its sophisticated gray velvet finish adds a touch of luxury to any space. This versatile storage solution features 12 individual grids, perfect for necklaces, rings, and bracelets. It fits seamlessly into your drawers or atop your vanity for easy access. Crafted from durable velvet, it provides a gentle resting place for your accessories, protecting them from scratches. The soft texture enhances both its look and function. Showcase your jewelry elegantly with this tray, designed to attractively display pieces in retail environments. Each grid highlights intricate details, drawing attention to your collection. Expand your storage effortlessly with this stackable design, perfect for growing collections. You can stack multiple trays without compromising style, optimizing your space. What we like? This organizer offers a sophisticated way to store your finished jewelry. Its 12 individual grids and soft velvet lining protect your pieces from scratches. If you need a stylish and space-saving solution to display or store your bracelets and other jewelry, especially in a retail setting or for a growing collection, this is the one to consider. What people say. This is a great tool for sizing bracelets. It has multiple sizes to choose from and is very accurate. The tray is well made and sturdy. It feels like it will last a long time. The compartments are deep enough to hold beads securely. I love how easy it is to use this sizer tray. It makes designing bracelets so much faster and more efficient. Number 2. Coward 2PC Stackable 12 Grids Jewelry Organizer Tray. Introducing the Coward 2PC Stackable Jewelry Organizer Tray. Get incredible value with this set of 2, perfect for all your storage needs. Crafted from soft beige velvet, these trays gently protect your precious jewelry from scratches and damage. With a large capacity and versatile design, you can store earrings, necklaces, bracelets, rings, and even jewelry findings. These handmade trays are ideal for organizing your personal collection at home or showcasing items in a shop or exhibition. We are committed to providing satisfactory service. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a prompt and helpful solution. What we like. This value pack provides 2 stackable trays, each with 12 grids, offering substantial storage for various jewelry types. The soft beige velvet protects your items from damage. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution with ample space for organizing a large collection or for displaying items at shows, this set is ideal. What people say. This sizer tray is a game-changer for bracelet making, allowing for precise sizing and consistent results. The tray's compartments are well designed, making it easy to organize beads and components while working. It's incredibly useful for planning bracelet layouts and ensuring the final piece has the desired length and fit. Number 1. Bead Design Board for Jewelry Making. Introducing the ultimate tool for your jewelry making passion. This board is perfect for designing necklaces, bracelets, and other intricate bead projects. Tired of beads rolling away? Our design board features special concavities to hold beads and tools securely. Plan your designs without the mess. Easily visualize your bracelet designs before you start stringing. The integrated scale helps you get the perfect length every time. Enjoy a spacious and well-organized work area. Its quality construction makes it ideal for all your beading and jewelry crafting needs. We ensure strict quality checks before shipment for your peace of mind. If you encounter any manufacturing defects, please contact us. What we like. This board is designed for efficient jewelry making, with compartments to hold beads and scale markings to measure length. It makes planning intricate designs much easier without beads rolling away. If you are a DIY jewelry enthusiast who values precision and wants a dedicated, user-friendly workspace for designing bracelets and necklaces, this board will streamline your creative process. What people say. This sizer tray is a game-changer for bracelet making, allowing for precise sizing and consistent results. The compartments are well designed, keeping beads organized and preventing them from rolling away. It's incredibly useful for planning bracelet layouts before stringing, saving time and effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.